Welcome to another video of Incorporate Fitness, and today what we're going to do is work on your six-pack. Alright, so we're going to do rectus abdominis, transverse abdominis, your obliques and your serratus as well. So we're going to do the last as serratus so that you look much better in the shape of building the abs. Right? The only easy exercise which is going to be the first one, okay, apart from that they're going to get ripped. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. The first exercise is going to be hold the kettlebell up, then bring it up. So the leg goes wide. So if you remember the dance moves of Saturday Night Fever, that's what you're going to do. 1, 2, 3. So 15 counts on each side, and 3 sets of that is what you're going to do. So watch them do that. Alright, what you're watching is what they're doing. So this is the first exercise, and what you're doing is cross crunching your abs. Okay, 15 reps of that in 3 sets on each side. So once you start, try starting with your left, your weaker side first. This has got a balance component as well. So it works on your obliques, your rectus abdominis, your transverse a little bit, and yes, your hip flexors as well. So next exercise is, with a plate. Take a moderately heavy weight. Keep your leg slightly together. Don't keep it wide. Keep it together. Closer the better, so that you engage your core. But what you're going to do is push the weight away and put your butt backwards. And up. Up. So it's not a squat. It's not like this. Okay. So what you're going to do is push your butt backwards. Push your butt backwards. Okay. Crunch your abs. Hold your lower abs even before you push your butt backwards. Then you'll feel the crunch. And it's insanely good. So take a heavier weight. I've taken a very light weight. So try taking a heavier one. You see dog, he's kept his legs straight and pushing the butt backwards, which is tough and very engaging. Now, Sumati is in between. If you see, she's got a slight bend, but she's moving forward a lot more, and that gives her more contraction on her abs. Keep your lower abs locked before you do go down. Now, he is bending his knees. He's got a hamstring tightness, so he's letting his hamstring loose and then using his abs to close in the distance between the topmost part and to the lowest one. Okay, so and he's doing it quick. He has to do it slow. It's tough on him, so it's done really fast. So if you do it slow, you will feel it. You will feel your abs burning. These workouts are going to be tough, right? So it has started, right? So now they're hanging. Till now, we were crunching top down. So we're bringing your abs down and crunching. Now you're going to lift from bottom up. So you're going to bring your legs up. That's what you're going to do. They started hanging. So if you are watching this video till now, you know what to do, right? Like, share, subscribe, and share. Share it with your friends and your family as well. Straight leg. Then you can see Arjun doing, bringing the straight leg straight to an L sit. So that's what is the second best. And Sumati is trying hard. Okay, yeah, she is trying really hard to get her legs up. Okay, so she's bouncing off the floor and trying to get the leg down slowly. So that's what she's trying to control the leg down slowly. So if you can show the butt forward to someone who's training you, that's the right way of doing it. Okay, that's the right way of doing this. Okay, lifting your leg and dropping it slowly. So showing your butt, and that endures your abs completely. Now what you're watching is the full form of it. Next exercise is very interesting. Okay, so you're going to row the boat, okay, with a paddle. All right, so that's what we're going to do. So you're going to twist at the same time, crunch, twist and crunch. So this is the twisting. What you're watching doctor doing is a paddling version of that, the row. So it's a very intense one. You can see that he's paddling through the workout. Alright, the next exercise is going to be the ab crunches. Okay, so you're going to crunch only so much. The first two blocks of your abs and your serratus. So you're going to hold the weight like this and bring it out and crunch. Crunch. Okay. So Sumati crunching. Get your elbows to the chest and keep that constant. And breathe out when you get your head up. And crunch your abs. Okay, the first two blocks of your abs with your serratus, pull it down and crunch. Breathe out, breathe out, breathe out. Yes, good. You know what to do. Subscribe, share, like.